Hello students, welcome again to this online tutorial. Myself Vimal Sojitra. I hope you are well in this time. Today we will learn about computer. Today's topic is uses of a computer. In our last video lecture, we have learned about what is computer and different parts of computer. A computer is made of different parts such as monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU, printer and speaker. These all are parts of a computer. So, do you think where these computers are used? So today we will learn uses of computer. So let's start today's topic. What is computer? A computer is an electronic machine. As you know, what is machine? It is man-made thing because it is made by man. In the same way, computer is also a machine. We can use computer for doing different types of work. It is used to write, draw, do sums, play games, listen to music and watch cartoon films and movies. So with the help of computer we can perform different work. But where these computers are used? So let's see places where computers are used. In our daily life we see at many places computers are used. Let's start with first one, that is home. At your home you can use your computer to do your work, to do your homework, to read poems and stories which is stored in your computer, or even you can use computer to play video games also. So we can say computers are used at our home. Next, office. In offices, computers are also used. We see many people are working in office. These people are known as employees. People uses computers in office for typing and printing documents. So computers are used in offices. Next is banks. Banks are also uses computer. But what is bank? A bank is a place where you can withdraw and also deposit your money. Banks uses computer to maintain accounts of their customers. With the help of ATM machine, you can also withdraw and deposit your money. So this is one type of computer. So we can say computers are used in banks. Next one is schools. We see in schools computers are also used. In schools computers are used for learning purpose. In computer lab we are using computers. In computer lab students are taught how to use computer. In schools computers are also used to maintain records of students and teachers. In library of a school, computers are used to maintain records of books. Librarian issue the book to the students and maintain records in a computer. So we can say in school computers are used for different purpose. In the same way, computers are also used in college and universities also. Next, airports and railway stations. In airport and railway stations, computers helps to make reservation and cancellation of your ticket. For example, if you want to go elsewhere with the help of aeroplane, first you need to do reservation of your ticket, and this is done through computer. It means computer helps you to book a ticket. In the same way, if you want to go elsewhere with railway, you also need to do reservation, and this is also done with the help of computer. In short, we can say in airport and railway stations, computers are used to make reservation of your tickets and also to cancel your tickets. Next one is hospitals. Computers are also used in hospitals. It helps doctors to prepare health records. Hospitals also use computers to keep the records of their patients. So we can say computers are used at so many places. So in today's lecture, you have learned about what is computer and different uses of computer. And computers are used at different places, such as we can use computers at home. Even home, we can use computers to maintain our personal records, such as we can store our stories, photographs, videos, and so on. After that, computers are used at offices, banks, schools, airports and railway stations, and even at hospitals. So I hope you have learned about different uses of computer in today's video lecture. Thank you. Have a nice day.